What?
I'm hiding.
Why?
Because this video is about Incognito Mode. Incognito Mode, or Privacy Mode, is a mode that you can put Chrome in so that it doesn't leave any trace of your actions behind on the computer you're on. This can be handy if you're using a friend's computer or a friend is using yours, and you don't want it to interfere with what you're doing. One frequent use is to check your email on someone else's computer. You don't want to log them out of their email just so you can check yours, so you open an incognito window and do what you need to do, and when you've finished, close that window and you're done, leaving no traces behind. Let's have a look.
Here's my email as it was in the last episode, before we turned it into an application. It's worth noting that this isn't easy to do from the web app version, simply because there is no menu button. What we need to do is click in the menu button, and then click this new incognito window. We then get this dark grey version of Chrome with the hat and the glasses, both in the middle of the screen and up in the top left corner, showing that we're in incognito mode. We can now type gmail.com into the address bar, and rather than logging us into our email, we're here at the login box, because this version of Chrome has no knowledge of the version that's open behind it. And I can log into my new email address. Here I can do whatever I need to do. Check my email, send emails, whatever. And once we're done, we close the incognito window. We'll return back to our original window, still logged in as the original user. It's as simple as that.
I hope that was useful to you. At the Tech Doctor Network, our goal is to help you feel comfortable with your computer. We're here to guide you each step of the way so you can be comfortable with your technology and make the best use of it. We release new videos every weekend and would love you to subscribe. If you have a question or want to leave a comment, just pop it in the comment section below. I'm here to be a resource for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.